Good morning. Hey, good morning, fellas. How we doing? It is time. Daily Gains, good morning. Nathan Ramirez, Coco Bella, Best Guest Trading, let's go. JB Benson, RH Dean Bishop, good morning, good morning. Timbo, good morning. How are we doing, fellas? Chef Trades, good morning. R5 Studios, Niles, Leo, good morning. CJ, Jim, Gizmarie. Let's get it today, folks. What a wild, absolutely insane overnight session we had. I personally enjoyed it. I had lots of fun in the overnight session. But man, that was pretty crazy. Actually, here was my main trades from the overnight session. Waited for that kind of initial opening. Like I try to wait an hour. We were obviously looking like we were going higher. Entered long on, I think I went with three. I think I did 3 contracts long right here off the 947s. And I was starting to get, my stop was at the low of day. I thought I was going to get stopped out. And then our good friend Trump, Donald J. Trump. He came and he was the hero last night. Man, oh man. What a crazy session. Artie Trades, David Mendez, good morning. Trade Tradezen, Fred Yeager, Petey, DP and OGs, Vector, good morning. Rad Poker, how's it going, Rad Poker? Jack Wiley, Rippin' and Dippin', Nathan, Blackout News Network. I'm not ready to lose money today. I'm not mentally prepared yet. But yeah, I could have held for a lot more if I just this scared me. I was gonna hold, and then I got scared. But I'll take it. We're basically back to square one on our Apex accounts, back to where we were at when we requested the payout, which I will take. David Wren, Mr. Knife Art, good to see you. D Wizard Trading, Blackout News Network, Larry Hudo, Petey, D Wizard, Ian. Hey, let's go, Alpine. We had some pretty nice overnight trading right here. I'd love to see it. That was $1,000 profit overnight trading with 3 micros. That's what you love to see. I'll take more of that every day. But I'm basically back to square one of where I was on these accounts when I requested my payout, or when I have got my payout approved. We were in a little bit of drawdown on these 5 accounts. Oh, the clock. Thank you, Benson. Thank you. I had to restart my computer, and then I always forget the clock. Dean Bishop. Hey, good morning, Shane. Loads of green. That's right. Let's go. All right, market is open. Now, I'm actually going to be trading these 50K accounts is what I'm going to focus on trading. We had a decent overnight trade, but I'm going to see if we can't. My goal is to get these accounts to like $300-400 profit today. If we can do that, we'll switch to these Apex accounts. All right, market. It is tempting here to just go long. It is actually tempting. But I'm trying to. I mean, this thing is. I'm assuming that this is gonna rip higher, but of course, you never know. This is the daily chart. We did kind of retest the highs up there at the 250s, so I mean, I don't know. Maybe this is going higher, maybe not. Who knows? If we come back and test, if this VWAP holds, you know, I guess we could definitely see a bigger pullback, but wait and see. Try to be patient here. All right, the VWAP is trying to hold here. I will say the last few weeks, maybe not few weeks, but the last 4 or 5 days, man, I gotta say, the VWAP has gotten my attention. It feels like the VWAP has been a pretty crazy way to trade. Like, just wait for a bounce off the VWAP or a rejection off the VWAP was pretty crazy. Hey, Kiss Me I Cook, good to see you. Good morning, John. Good morning, John. Design Knob, good morning. Oh, you said go long gold? I didn't even look at gold, but I want to see it. What does gold look like? I have one order attached to what? I have no idea what that means. Is that bad? Wow, look at that. Look at gold. I don't think I could trade gold. That looks wild. Look at the gold rip lower. On that is so gold had to move from the 34.20s to the 33.30s, almost 100 point. Wow. Wowzers. Wowzers. I will just stick with trading NQ. Why am I getting this? I have no idea. Just look at the wrist, the Rolex he got is I got nothing like that. I'm broke. Reezy, Trump news conference at 10. Oh yes, oh yes. So Trump is gonna reveal some earth-shattering, groundbreaking, best ever, most important news at 10 o'clock. Oh dear. So yeah, 10 o'clock. Thank you, Reezy. We got to make sure we don't do anything stupid at that time. Does look like we're continuing now to go lower, down below the 150, below the VWAP, testing the 120s. Well, I'm glad we didn't just go long. There's that. Yeah, everyone be safe. It's going to be wild. By the way, yesterday's FOMC minutes sure didn't do much. I was actually getting a haircut and I was watching on my phone. I'm like, that was a nothing burger. Like, wow. Not really that. I mean, after FOMC moved a lot more than it did at the announcement, which I think the announcement kind of everyone expected, I think. Yeah, Aaron, I agree. I think it was priced in. That's not at 10, is it? Far as I know, it's just a tariff agreement announcement. No, it does say on Forex calendar, it does, like, it says right here, Thursday, President Trump speaks at 10 a.m. So all right, are we gonna get a bounce here or not? Man, I am actually tempted here to take a stab at this. This doesn't. Right, this is a little reckless maybe, but I'd hold it. Okay, we might get wrecked here. Come on, rip it. A nice rip. Back up through the VWAP. All I need. Gotta go right here. Come on. Come on, we gotta get going. It's trying, but come on, market. Don't. Man, this is volatile. Come on, just go. No, don't do that. Don't do it. All right, we might have messed up here. Rip. Yeah, this is still looking heavy. If we make new lows, sure. Maybe. Need one of those big spike. We need a trap. Need to trap the shorts right here. Then we might be okay, but it's not looking great. Yeah, it's gonna be weird to trade today. Being a little aggressive here, but yeah, we're getting stopped here. This is gonna dump. Let's. All right, we learned our lesson. Let's just now be patient. I know we are gapped really high here, so it might be one of those, but I don't see us filling the gap here. I mean, if we to fill the gap is all the way down here, the 963s, 960s basically. I don't know. I just don't see it. I don't think we do a gap fill, but I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. This is what it looked like. Or did you see Trump at 10? It's on financial. It's on the Forex Factory news for today. Trump speaking at 10 is what it says. Hey, Francis, good morning. Good morning. Jay Wilson, good morning. John BPCF, good morning. Ace Undercover, how's it going? Good morning. Ori, good morning. Yeah, it could be an attempt. Trump also posted last night about it at 9 p.m. Yes, that's why the market ripped higher. Hey, good morning, UCLA Trades. Dove Gordon. And did we really get stopped right there to the tick and now it's going to rip higher? Don't tempt me with a good time today. You market, you. It's hard to be this consistently stopped out to the tick. You would think the odds are that it's not going to consistently happen, but it does. Look at that. Right back to our entry. Unbelievable. Market, you are a special kind of person. You know that? You are a special human being. The SEC is getting dialed. Don't make me call the SEC. Don't make me do it. I haven't called them in a long time. Supposedly, I mean, I guess we got to remember yesterday. You guys remember yesterday? We have to remember yesterday. That was wild. We totally got bailed out on our first trade of the day yesterday. So I guess we'll let this one slide. I blew top step eval on day 5. I was at 159, 150. Oh, Alpine. I hear you, man. It actually does take it takes actual skill if you really think about it. It actually takes skill to flow an account where you're $75 close to passing. So you have $5,000 or $4,500 of wiggle room, and you only need to make $75. That's actually impressive. Like, if you just really are honest about it, you just gotta sit back in and be like, wow, that's impressive. Wait, you had 9,000? Ow, wait. Don't they have two? Oh, no, you had 5 days. Oh, no. Yeah, that's impressive. You gotta tip your hat. You just gotta accept it. I need some reverse skill for trading. Jeremy Bennett. I've talked about it in the past. Someone should create an indicator, like an affordable account dashboard. And I've talked about this in the past. I'm not saying that this is a good idea, but sometimes I feel like it would be. Someone should create a dashboard where, but here's the thing, you would have to make it where you don't know. Listen, like, okay, I'm serious, guys. I think I might actually have something here. Let me think it through and let me try to articulate it to you guys in the right manner. This is what we need. Someone needs to create something where your account dashboard will show your profit and loss. But the one thing, here's the key. You have in the beginning of every day, at the beginning of every day, you have a 50-50 shot of you getting reversed or not reversed on the day. Does that make sense? So behind the scenes, you have no way, as a trader, you would have no way of knowing this until at 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. Eastern time, when the market is closed, then it would reveal that, hey, today we actually reversed you. Like, the back end would actually then reveal if your trades were reversed or if they were not. Because then, listen, like, then you wouldn't know, right? You really wouldn't have any idea if you were being reversed or not. Because if you know you're being reversed, I don't think it would actually have any effect, because you would just, your mind would flip it the other way. But if people consistently lose, then I don't know. I feel like that would be an interesting like a 6 months test to do where people are like, oh, they think they're red, but then at the end of the day, they would actually be like, oh wait, I was actually green. I was being reversed. I don't know if that made any sense to anyone, but in my mind, that made sense. I was down 1,000 on a 50K eval and long one NQ yesterday. Then that big run up hit at 340 and it passed in 30 seconds. No way. Nicely done, best guess. Timbo, not enough coffee for this conversation. It is pretty early in the day, so I have no idea if I made any sense with what I just said. So take it for what it's worth. That's like waterboarding, but would probably work for me. Don't do drugs, Dean. Don't do drugs, kids. Hey, come on, guys. Someone has to understand what I said. Come on. Don't you get it? You would have to make it like if you would create something like that, then you would truly not care about your P&L because you would never know if your P&L was actually true or not. That's my point. Like if you wouldn't actually know your true P&L every day, like you really had no way of knowing, then wouldn't you be more inclined to just trade like the charts? Like you would just trade well and then at the end of the day it's like, okay, well, let's see if it was a good day or not. But you'd have no way of actually knowing. I'm just saying, come on, that makes sense, doesn't it? I can't someone's got to understand. I'm not that far gone. I'm not that far gone, am I? And we continue lower, down below the 100s now. Okay then. All righty then. I guess we might go lower. Very interesting. And I'm glad I didn't hold my longs. On this trade right here, I was so tempted to just try to hold this all day long. And then I thought, nah, that's stupid. Let's just close for profit and move on. But we'd be hurting right now if that was the case. Put down the hash brownie. Come on, guys. Okay, let me look. Someone's understanding. I actually trade better when I'm red, so that might just work. See? See? Maybe in a sim account, but you have to manage P&L in regard to downside risk, knowing when to stop. I know, but here's my point, Willie C. If you don't know if you're red or green, technically, then wouldn't it work? Okay, like, I guess this maybe would only work if you were looking at a consistency rule. That way, if you are green, you don't just keep going greener and greener. That way, if you're actually getting reversed that day, then it wouldn't be a big deal. But I'm going off the thesis. that 90% of traders fail. So it would make sense that more people are going to have red days than green days. But we can't just outright reverse you all the time because then you're just going to know it. And you're just going to trade accordingly. So we have to put in a little bit of variables to keep you guessing. Maybe we would make it that 70% of the time you are going to be reverse traded that day. 30% of the time you're not. I don't know. I'm starting to not make sense to myself, so maybe we need to ditch that conversation. I'm telling you, it makes sense in my brain. I'm telling you. Hey, Rosie Rose, good morning. Welcome to the Nut House. It's pretty nutty in here today. It's definitely pretty nutty today. Dove Corden. I missed it. Can you say it again? Put on your earmuffs, fellas. I'd love to explain my irrational thoughts once more. Be my guest if you all want to be punished. I can either explain it again or we can listen to some Ben and Rose. Your guys' choice. Joom is on the line right now. Hey, I bet I bet Joom would understand. I bet Joom would understand. This rabbit hole is deep. Yeah, we're like 10 times we're like tenfold into reverse psychology. It's not just the first step of reverse psychology. Like we have reversed the reverse psychology. That's the rabbit hole we're in right now. But I'm telling you, it makes sense. It does make, if you really take the effort to think about it, it actually does make sense. Ben and Rose should be here. What is Trump announcing this time? The biggest, the best, the largest, the best ever, the biggest news in the world, best ever news ever, the largest news. That's what he's announcing. It's going to be great. It's going to be the best ever. The next step is to play music. You hate while trading. That's the key. Hume and Kellyanne are too busy starting a prop firm to answer calls. Oh, dear. Ah. Poor Joom is catching strays every single day. He is catching strays every day. You know what I should do? I need to start. Hang on, I want to test something, guys. We're gonna test something. I'm going to I'm going to post my live stream link on my Twitter. I'm going to post it. I'm going to start posting it every day. I mean, it's going to annoy 92% of people, but that 8% of people, there might be like, "Oh wow, I didn't know Nutty Bar streams." And they might click on it, you know? Let's just see. Kellyanne never did come back. She really did ghost me. She just, I thought we were on the reconciliation path, and she ghosted me, man. It's rough. It's hard to accept, but we got to move on. It cuts deep, folks. It cuts real deep. Can you please tell what indicators you're using for key levels, Olivia? I mean, I don't. What key levels? I'm not sure what. I don't use any indicators for key levels, I guess. This is basically an opening. This is the initial balance indicator, and it shows the 15-minute opening range low, 15-minute opening range high, and the initial balance midpoint and the low a day, high a day. That's all we looking at. I think I saw a tear rolling down. Why not stream on Twitter? Have you guys seen my internet lately? I'm happy if I can stream to one platform, let alone two. I don't want to push it. I don't want to go down that hole. Cheryl Crow, the first cut is the deepest. No problem, Olivia. All right, boys. I mean, I don't want to trade here until, I mean, if we know it, I mean, for all we know, it might go till 10:30 till Trump actually starts yapping. So, where can we watch this Trump live Yapping. Hmm. You know what, guys? Hey, guys, I want to do some. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something. Might be a little bit cringy. Um, hang on, hang on. I just thought about this, and hang on, guys. If you want to make my son's day, I'm gonna post a link in the chat. So I gotta tell the story a little bit, but so my 11-year-old son, I mean, he's been wanting a YouTube channel for he has been begging for a YouTube channel since he was 7 years old. And we've kind of told him not. Basically, I told him that once he learns how to edit and he can do it all himself, then he can do his own YouTube channel. And but I'll help him and I'll teach him how to edit, but he has to do it himself, and he's going to be responsible to do it and everything. And he did it. He created his channel, and he's uploaded a couple videos, and I'm going to share a video. I'm going to share one of the videos he did. I actually think it's hilarious. It's him playing Fortnite, and it was hilarious. I was laughing out loud. Man, I thought he did a really good job with his editing and the video, everything. So if you guys want to watch the video and even subscribe to his channel, he would be stoked. But yeah, it's pretty funny. All right, market. As long as he does not put Ben and Rose music, I'll check it out. He does not have Ben and Rose. No, he does not. All right, market. Yeah, 47 views. I know. He's already have more than I had. So he plays controller. So you guys would make his day. He will freak out. I didn't even tell him that I'm going to do this. This is like a surprise. But he actually did a really good job with editing the video. There were a couple times where I was laughing, like how he inserted the memes on some of that was pretty nice. It was pretty nice. I might have to teach him how to I might have him teach me how to edit and do some of those memes. Cuz it was pretty funny. Oh man, I could definitely do some of those memes and do an edit on my recap videos would be very appropriate. But man, this market, what are we wait? I assume we're waiting on Donald Trump. Will I ever have Kyle on? What do you mean? Why? I don't know. Not. I don't. Why would I? I don't really make a habit of having traders on, so I have no plan to. I don't know the guy. Actually, we talked about it. We talked about it, Alpine. Me and Alpine do a co-stream here in the future. We got to do that. I'd be down for that. Oh man, Corey, jeez, easy. Oh, you, John Q, that's funny. You thought you were on the PW chat? Oh, I'm sorry to disappoint. uh, all right, market. I'm trying to find, is there somewhere that Trump is? I mean, is he just on mainstream news, or where can I watch this? The biggest, the best ever announcement. I want to, we got to see this. We got to see this. It- all right, now we're testing the EMA here. I'm checking right now. Where would this be at? Live right now on Fox News. Okay. I think I get Fox News. My YouTube TV. Uh is he talking right now? Okay, where is this Fox News? You obviously I don't watch TV, as you can tell. The only time I watch TV is when I watch golf or I watch the Browns. That's literally it. Oh, I found it. Oh man. So now it looks like it's going to be 10:30. Okay, yeah. Oh, there it is. Thank you, Amelia. Thank you, Amelia. That's better. I prefer this version. All right, do we have to wait to trade now until 9, 10:30? I guess? It's gonna be one of them days, isn't it? Feel like the nice move happened overnight. Like the nice move happened, and I wouldn't be shocked if we just see sideways kind of ugly price action now. I don't know. I hope not, but and now is the time to buy. I guess we could play some Ben and Rose until Trump comes on to keep you guys content and happy. You know, you could always do that. Yeah, will it be a solid agreement or just talks? Depending what kind of news comes on, depending what Trump says, I mean, there is a chance, I guess, we could just come right back down to the 960s. We're actually not that far off. Right here at the 2060s. We are 200 points below the high of the overnight session. Ow. Wowzers. Alpine. Where's Alpine? No streams anymore. Don't worry, he'll be back. We closed 50%. Yeah, actually, did we? Oh, actually, that's a good. This is the only time that I really like using fibs. Let's see. If we do a fib from here to here, what does this look like? Yeah, we're right now exactly at the 50% retracement. So I'm going to keep this on for today at least. No, man. I don't know. Not really that interested right now in taking any trades. Hey, Carabo, do you have a video that explains my strategy? No, I do not. I don't teach people how to trade. I just do my thing, and then whatever happens, happens. You don't, I mean, it varies, but it's basically, I am a continuation of the trend trader. And I wait for pullbacks, and then I look to get in on the continuation move higher or lower. But it's nothing special. A lot of people would look at my strategy and be like, ah, that's a joke. No way he's profitable. I actually love when people say that. I love when people look at my strategy and like, oh, there's no shot that's profitable. It's too simple. I'm like, that's awesome. Let's go. Thank you. Yeah. Actually, it's like buy the dip and hope it rips. Ben and Sarah, come on, Zabak. You got to get it right. It's Ben and Rose. I'm obviously not playing that music enough because you guys keep. John was saying it was Ben and June. Ben and June. Now we're with Ben and what was Ben and Sarah? Come on, guys. You got to get the names right. This is embarrassing. Guys are embarrassing me.
Slowly but surely, I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love.
Ben and Jerry. I need to play it more often. That's I mean, obviously you guys are not listening enough. I love it. All right, mark it. Okay, fine. I'll let you guys go for now. I just wanted to hold him down and shave every hair I see. I do. Hey, did you guys know there was actually an Amish? This is wild, but it is a wild story, but it's true. Actually, I can even find the news articles, I bet. Back in, I don't even know what year it was. Actually, 2011. 2011, there was a big dispute between two different Amish communities. Like there was two disputes between two different Amish communities, and they were fighting basically, and they literally this sounds wild, and it's actually embarrassing, but here's the case. I'm not joking. Look at it. Look, I'll show you guys the case because it'll make more sense. 16 individuals were sentenced for hate crimes involving attacks against Amish residents in Ohio. Some carried out by the victims' children, and the group's leader received a 15-year prison term. In response to a religious dispute among members of the Amish community, Samuel Mullet, 66 years old, directed his followers to forcibly cut the hair and beards of other members of the Amish faith. Yeah, that was wild. That was wild. Literally, they had people and they came and they literally were cutting other Amish people's beards off. Yeah. Like those were some wild times to live in Holmes County, I can tell you that much. Oh, the yumma. Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled program here. We continue lower. I mean, this is starting to look like you might be right, design. I don't know. I hate to admit it when you're right, but you might be. Is it true you recycle your accounts? Prince, go back to where you came from. Okay, just go back. I'm not in the mood. Sounds like a Yellowstone episode. It is. Yeah, it's actually pretty sad. It's pretty sad, but it was bad. It was embarrassing actually. Take them to the train station. All right, let's see if we get maybe we get some kind of bounce here, but man, I was looking for longs, but I'm not gonna. We're 80 points away from the gap fill. That's crazy. I did not expect to see this rip lower. Did I ever have a long beard? Not a long beard, but I had you know, a little bit of a bushy beard. Yeah, a little bit. Not much though. We're still waiting for Trump to talk. We're still waiting for Trump to say something. He has no idea what the train station is. If I've ever been to Shady Maple? I don't know what you mean, Shady Maple. Shady Maple. I have not. I'm just curious what happened. I mean, depending what Trump says when he comes, it comes and whatever announcement he makes. We're 15 minutes away from supposedly seeing him do the biggest announcement ever. Feel like it's going to be a nothing burger. Raffy trades. I assume you're just trolling though. It's I'm not even. If you think I recycle accounts, then just keep trolling. Someone got called out and didn't like it. Okay, let's see. Can we actually? This would have been actually a pretty clean trade here. Rejected right off of that 21 EMA. All right, let's see. Can we get a move above the 60s? I mean, if we come back, and I'm not going to trade until 10:30. I'm not going to trade until Trump starts talking. Hey, Black Coffee. Good morning. How's it going? Let's see. Maybe this is where we get the bounce. I mean, I'm kind of shocked if we don't. At some point today, we're going to see a big rip higher. I think. Hey, let's go, Black Coffee. Oh, I know where they're coming from, Amelia. I know exactly where they're coming from, and it tickles me. It tickles me. It tickles me, and then it it's funny because you always know when you've you always know that when someone has been offended. No, it's not Patrick Alpine. Whatever. I'm not going to talk. Too funny, man. Yeah, Sean. Yep. Do I need to get X, John? Actually, John, you would probably like X, because it's a combination of, like, I use X, like, I don't know, I just enjoy trolling some people. Like, I enjoy trolling a little bit too much. Oh man. Yeah, Jay Dunn. Oh dear. Cyan Pride, yeah. Your favorite part of X is Grok. I actually need to learn how to use Grok. I don't even use Grok, and I haven't used Grok, so I need to do that. Hmm. And right here could be a short, but we're waiting. I'm gonna wait till Trump does his talking. Still think this thing's gonna rip higher. I really do. I just don't know when. Usually we're like 20 minutes early on our entries. Usually. Hey, Citizen Zero, how's it going? Oh, Red Road Grok is the new Google, way better than Google. I gotta learn how to use it. Gotta learn how to use it. What is your next level? I got 1920. I mean, ooh, here's a little bit of a rip. I mean, mine is probably this 960. The 960s right here, which would be a gap fill. But then yeah, the 920s and the 900s. But now we're seeing this thing go. Is Trump? I gotta make sure. There's someone walking out of the White House, I think. Ten more minutes. Looks like 10 minutes to go. Something, it seems like some kind of news is coming out because we're getting very volatile here. I have no idea what's going on. John, you like X for spying on me. Hey, you will get some you will get some of my trolling if you follow me on X for sure. If I'm having a kind of a frustrating day, my troll level increases. And I don't apologize for it. It just is what it is. I was going back and forth with Top Step and Dakota's. Was it a couple days ago? Yesterday, whatever. Dude, it's too fun. You like that, John? You like that. By the way, guys, look at this guy. Look, we need to get this ordered ASAP. We need to get this ordered. This was shout out to Futures of our Futures for our future. He came up with it. But we need this. This needs to I need this on my desk. That's pretty epic. That is pretty cool. Here Patrick was wondering what kind of wrap that he should do on his Aventador. I don't know if that's even how you pronounce it. I told him he should go with something like this. I don't know if he will or not, but my 2 cents. Trying to help, you know. I try to help. I need to stop. Hey, RT808, how's it going? Oh wait, where is the post of my leg? I need to show that. Oh, this one was nice. Look at this. Look at the vibes on this. Oh, that was the other day, the other evening, sitting by the fire, sunset. Oh, those are good times. Good times. Here, here's what John is referencing. This was me. But you have to understand the context of this. The reason I posted this was, hang on, I don't even know. Did you have to understand? You have to be on Twitter for it to make sense. Hang on, I'll find it. Oh dear, we're gonna have to go back so far. I'm gonna find that tweet. I'm gonna find it. Look at those legs. OnlyFans foot pics. That's right. That's what you get on Twitter if you follow me. Lots of trolling. All in good fun, though. All in good fun. Oh, come on. How many Twitter posts does this gal have? Oh, right here. Here we go. So this was the tweet. Minx posted this and it blew up. It got, it blew up and 300,000 view like engagements. So she posted this and then the next morning I posted mine. That's the context. That's why I did it. Not because I wanted this people to see my hairy legs, but I just figured why not, I forgot my fuzzy slippers though. I was feeling very raunchy and I actually exposed my toes. You can actually see my ankles, so please don't come at me. Put a side by side of you and her. I should actually. Hang on. That's actually would have been a better tweet. I should have done this. I should have done one where it's like I should have done one like this. Like this. Who wore it better? Who wore it better, guys? Come on, be honest. Be honest. I mean, I don't think it's yeah, do I have did I forget to shave that morning? Yeah, possibly. I still think I gave her a run for the money. I'm not ashamed of my hairy legs. Yeah, it's the stream today. It's just today's one of those days where it's a pretty nutty stream right now. Pretty nutty. You never know what you're going to get. Right now, we're waiting on Trump to make the biggest announcement ever in the history of the universe. And we're kind of bored. So this is what happens. Depends who had a better. Hey, don't hate on pedicures. When I was down in Florida, maybe I already told you guys this, but when we were in Florida, it was my wife's birthday and I took her out. We both got a pedicure. And then we went shopping. We did the whole thing, but I got to say, huge fan of pedicures. I'm not even going to deny it. I'm one of those guys where if my feet, like the bottom of my feet start to get so callousy and that like when you like if you are barefoot, it'll snag. It's like your feet are so rough that they start to snag a little bit on like blankets or your covers or stuff like that. Oh, dude, it just actually makes me that is like a pet peeve of mine. I need my feet to be nice and smooth. So hey, hater Maddie, I'm just saying. It's a big thing, man. You don't hate it until you've tried it. We're still waiting on Trump. Of course he's late. Come on, Trump, get with the program. You're the leader of this. We can't have you being late. It sets a bad example. Get some shoes. What, you think I sleep with shoes on? By the way, you are, I think there's been studies done. If you sleep with socks on, you are very similar to like, um, there's something like mentally wrong with you. If you sleep with socks on, I have to like every now and then I will get into bed and I'll be like, and my wife tries to sneak into bed with socks on. And I'm just like, that ain't, yeah, psychopath. Yes, thank you. Like, I'll get in bed and you can almost tell, like, my wife is like purposely keeping her feet away from me just because she knows, like, I have certain standards. Having socks on in bed, I'm out. That can't happen. Like, there have got to be some very basic standards, but sleeping with socks on is just not allowed. Just not allowed. Can't happen. If you're one of those people that sleep with your socks on, you seriously need to go get yourself checked. There is something seriously wrong with you. And that's not a hot take. That's just a fact. Come on, Trump. Get out here. We're just sitting here waiting. My girlfriend was mad at me because I wore out the bed sheets where my feet are because my callus heels wore a hole in them. That actually makes me shiver. Oh my word. Dude, that is so nasty. You need to get a pedicure ASAP. Or, you know what else helps? Just go walk on the beach. Like, go to a beach and walk on the beach. That'll remove your calluses as well. That's really good. Jay Wilson, there's no disorder for that, and I have no comment on the matter either. That's a personal preference. I posted this. Okay, hang on. What did I do? Oh dear. Oh, now stop digging too far. Stop digging too far. I did. I called him out on it big time. Oh dear. Oh, that's why he hated me so much at one point. He did not enjoy that at one bit. That was, what was that, 2 years ago? Oh man. That was 2023. Almost, yeah, a year and a half ago. Oh man. Okay, market. Are we gonna do something here? I mean, if we get up to the VWAP, yeah, it's gonna actually RH. It's gonna be tempting to not take a VWAP trade. Hey, Garrett. Captain Kirk, Little Millie Trades, good to see you. By the way, also, did you guys get the Apex email in regards to I think Little Millie Trades, did you hear anything back with the accounts that got eliminated? Did you hear anything back? Do you think PW sleeps with socks on? I sure hope not. I would be so disappointed if he would sleep. If he sleeps with socks on, I don't know if I can come to the BDH again. We're gonna have to fix that. Oh, sorry, Little Millie Trades. I did not see it. Sorry. So you got it fixed? That's good to hear. I'll PW and troll him quick. No, he has a guest right now. I don't want to be calling and be like, hey, Pat, just need to know, do you sleep with your socks on? That just feels like weird. That feels like feels like information that I don't need to know. Because I don't think it pertains to me. Anyway, all right, market. What are we doing here? I mean, is Trump ever going to talk, or are we just going to do this all day long, where we're just going to tease? Hey, Trump announcement now at 11 o'clock. Oh, now it's at 11:30. What? Must be his tea time was running a little bit late. Code for 90% off Apex. Pasika, I don't believe there is any. But if you use code NBT, it'll give you 80% off. Feels like stealing, to be honest. Little Millie trades. Yeah, I agree. Even though, like, I mean, I had a conversation directly with the uppity ups at Apex. I was ready to go to war. I was ready to go to war if they were just gonna retroactively make that change. But they quickly told me, calm down, Nutty. Calm down, Nutty. It was a mistake. They were not supposed to retroactively do it, and that all the accounts will be reinstated. So I went and I calmed down quickly, and I told him, okay, I'm calm. They fixed it fast. Yep. That's what we love to see. Apex does the right thing. And I mean, have they made mistakes? Yes. But usually at least if you talk to the right people, then they will do the right thing. Sometimes they need a little bit of encouragement. Little bit of encouragement, but then they do it. My question is important. So I'm working for my second payout on Apex. Do I have to meet the consistency rule of the bigger trade ever in the account, or it resets after the first payout? So it resets after your approved payout. So once you have your payout approved, then that resets. So no, you do not have to. Kiss me, I go. I knew you were gonna check. I knew that was coming. That's fair. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh, man. I'd shake my head, man. We're making progress, though, anyway. VWAP trade would have cooked. Ooh, well, we didn't technically get to VWAP. We didn't technically get to it, but it is definitely looking like just a bleed lower. But I think the market, everyone's just waiting for Trump. Everyone is waiting for Trump to come out and whatever he has to say. I mean, if he comes out and the agreement that he talked about isn't like verified concrete, I think this market's gonna dump. If it was just a carrot dangled in front of our noses, so to speak. I will see. So my first bigger trade on first payout was 1K. Now the biggest is 750. So they will go for the 750 30%. Yes, Dominican trader, that is correct. That is correct. Yeah, they bought the rumor last night and they sold the news this morning. I mean, I guess it wasn't really a rumor. I mean, it was Trump that tweeted, so not sure what that classifies as, but he's going to talk 3 seconds about the UK and then 2 hours about MS-13 and how eggs are free and gas is 4 cents a gallon. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's too funny. Hey, no problem, Dominican trader. Hey, Manindra. You're still ripping and dipping is still thinking about the reverse thing. Yes, kiss me, I cook. I will I got you. I did. I pronounced your name right. Oh my gosh. Let's go. W's in the chat for Nutty pronouncing a weird, like, sorry, I don't want to say weird, a unique name, and I pronounced it correctly. That is actually newsworthy. Let's go. Absolutely complete luck. Definitely was lucky. Lucky in pronouncing names, and I'm lucky at trading. Let's go. Lester calling someone else's name weird. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair, but technically I do go by Nutty. You know what's weird? Like there's been times like I will literally answer to Nutty now in real life. Also, gotta tell you is gotta oh man, I'm not even sure I want to say this, but supposedly the word is out. I have last night I was informed by someone. Oh, did you know everybody knows that you stream? And yikes. Yikes. I'm like, well, you get one thing you guys have to understand with the Amish community, the news spreads like wildfire. It's like, wow, did you hear what this guy does for a living? Like, yeah, he just sits on YouTube. That's all he does. I'm not joking. That is literally what was said. He's like they're like looking down at me like, yeah, that's all he does. He just sits there. It's like, oh, like, yeah, that's right. I guess I don't have much to say to that. It's true. I just sit here and I guess I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know what they expected me to say. I'm like, yeah, I'm sorry. I do just sit here. My bad. That's my bad. Let me go out and get a real job. But I just, in my defense, I was using a screwdriver the other day. And I did poke my finger, and I'm pretty sure if I do it correctly, I'm pretty sure if I do this correctly, I will get a scar. I will have a scar on my finger, so therefore proof that I actually work, like physical labor. I do sometimes work. So I think we're good. I think we're okay. Wait until they hear. Oh dear, David Wren. I thought you were gonna say wait until they hear that I have an OnlyFans, a feet pics account. I'm just kidding, by the way. I don't. Don't go spreading rumors. Christopher B. Stop. Now someone. Okay, guys. Okay, who was it? Who was this? Who did it? Who did this? Who did this? You guys are weird. Guys are weird. Christopher, there he is. That's too funny. That is too funny, man. Okay, where is Trump? Come on. We're literally going to sit here all day long. And you know what's going to happen. You know it. You know, if I go in and if I enter, Trump will immediately start talking. You know that's going to happen. When is the Amish open? It is the 3rd week in August, I believe. 3rd week in August, I believe. By the way, I saw that Patrick was he was singing my praises on my golf game, but I do want to make one thing clear. I am not the best Amish golfer, okay? I'm not. There's actually other Amish that are quite a bit better at golf than I am, or I would say so. And I'll give them a run for their money, but over a course of, you know, a lot of rounds, yeah, I'm definitely not the best. But I appreciate the belief in it, I guess. Was that an actual foot pick? Yeah, it was. I literally did this. I put my feet up. Took a picture. That simple. Didn't even hurt. I'm the best Amish golfer. Hey, I could say I'm the best Amish golfer that streams. There you go. Locked and loaded. Super Dave, where I get the clock, it is a it's a app in the Windows App Store, and I just added to my overlay with Streamlabs. And I'm starting to get annoyed. Starting to get annoyed that we don't see this announcement. Major announcement. Trump to make major announcement now. That was 47 minutes ago. Hey, market. We're going to bounce off of this 220,050 here. Are we going to do it? I mean, I'm not touching this. I'm just not going to do it. I thought it was the UK deal. I mean, I think it is, but they're supposed, I mean, I think that's what it is. Can you be an Amish leader with soft hands, or is it more like who swings? Not like that. Okay, you got your email, your PAs reinstated. Yes, yes, you have 2 days to respond. Because the other part that they mentioned was they had over they had over 20,000 accounts that hadn't been they had over 20,000 PA accounts that hadn't been traded in over 180 days. And some of those were probably, some of them were older than a year that hadn't been traded. So I'm sure a lot of them were dormant and they were actually not being used, but some of them obviously were being used, or they were just being, they were planning to use them. But yeah, you can pay monthly or for 10 years. Yeah, exactly. And that's yeah, that's what I mean. Like, regardless, it wasn't okay, but I get why they're doing the 180 days, I guess is my point. But it sounds like there were some people that were also, which there's nothing wrong with this. They were using almost blown accounts. They would just keep them active, but not trade them. And they would use that for their live data feed for like trading view and stuff like that, which, quite honestly, that's pretty smart. And I don't blame him. It was more a cleanup, Niles. It was actually more a cleanup for Rhythmic. Like, Rhythmic actually was wanting to do the cleanup on their servers, like to clean up. And so, yeah, it whatever. It's fine. No, it was more, I mean, at least, I mean, who knows? That's what I was told. But it was based on Rhythmic wanting to do some cleanup, and it was instigated by in that form. And they are the ones, I guess, that we're actually trying to get them to put something in place, which, hey, Trump is talking. Billions. All right, let's see what the market does here. Man, their mic needs some help. That mic is terrible. And now the mic cut out. Okay, now the mic's better. Market not liking it. I don't know, man. This thing's dumping. So is the deal actually done? That's what I'm trying to determine. Wolf. Yeah, it's no, I don't hear any actual detail, like specific verified. Oh, so the prime minister is going to say a couple things. JD Vance looks like he's ready to tackle somebody. Hey, Pine Tree. Yep, we are about to close the gap, folks. John, we can only hope. 10% permanent tariff on EU, a UK-US trade deal is good news. Market is trying to make a rally here. Why am I not answering? Is everything okay with me and PW? Blind man? Yeah, as far as I know. Why? Oh, you were asking when I'm going to the BDH again. I don't know. Don't know. I'm sure we'll be back. Oh, you asked me a few times. Sorry, I just didn't see it. Yeah, John. Someone's ego is getting stroked here. Unless PW sleeps with socks on. Oh, man. They need to turn up his volume. Barely hear him. I feel like when he answers questions might be more volatile. It's a big deal. Harmon coding. Was there a hmm. All right. I don't know that I'm gonna keep watching this. I'm gonna stop. I mean, I don't. Doesn't seem like much happened. Market didn't really move. I don't know what to think about that. Hey, Nathan Fuller, you are welcome. Congrats on winning the duck. Or I trying to think, were you first place or third place? I forget. Oh, first place. Let's go. All right. I don't know. I mean, that didn't feel like I don't know. I guess the market wasn't waiting, or maybe nothing really happened. Nothing really happened. Now the 960s would be the gap fill. Are we going lower? Who calling me? Excuse me. So every European car maker is going to be importing through the UK. Sounds like it. I have no idea. You know what I'm concerned about? You know what I'm concerned about? I just realized that all this tariff stuff is really going to have an effect on one of my favorite products that I use. DJI drones. That's gonna be a problem. I'm not sure what we're gonna do about it. $1,000 trade a day keeps the problems away. That's true. We'll just I mean, a $3,000 drone that used to be $3,000, people are saying they're going to be over 10,000. So not cool, man. If I spoken to Alpine, he was in here just earlier. He's doing fine. He's doing fine. He's just doing some catching up on some work around the house, and he'll be back. Don't worry. I thought you were getting 4 on Nutty Bars. Not quite. Nope. I did not know the Matrice 4 came out. What? All right, time to pay attention. Market trying to go higher now. I mean, I'm still kind of bullish, but feels like a bad idea to keep. Right now, this trend lower has been holding up really well. David Wren. I have the trade cover from affordable indicators, but it's been giving me a lot of issues. Do you find the max number of accounts it can probably handle is probably 5 and more? And no more. Armando, I mean, honestly, I did not try out the affordable indicator trade copier that much. I did try it out for probably a week. And I went back to Replicanto. I don't know. I think I don't know if it was just me, but I just felt like the fills were different or not quite as clean, and I experienced a couple issues. I don't know if it was my end or not, but it was enough that I was like, you know what? There's just I didn't really have issues with Replicanto. I'm just gonna go back to it. And I mean, I do feel like Replicanto is probably the I don't know. I feel like you have the least amount of issues, but with any trade copier out there, when you're copy trading 20 accounts, I don't care what copier that you use, you are there's a chance that you're going to have issues. And you just have to accept that risk when you trade 20 accounts, there is that risk because I will tell you this, if something goes bad with a trade copier, don't even reach out to them to reinstate your accounts or something. That's not going to happen. That is a risk that you take. What is the max most effective, JT? I mean, I know people trade 20 accounts all the time, but I personally only trade 5 at a time, but yeah. I copy trade with 10 or so, and it always have to watch for position not closing due to slippage. Yeah, it can happen. Well, market continuing move higher here. I'm kind of waiting right now. If we see a move lower, and then if we trap some shorts right here, I might take a stab long here. Or if we get back above the 2100s. If we get above the 2100s, we get above the VWAP, then we can look for a pullback entry long. But until then, we probably need to just sit here and be patient. And the other option is to wait for a setup short. But I don't know, I don't feel that confident in shorts. Oh, hang on. All right, we continue to grind higher. I mean, this is starting to look bullish. It is starting to look bullish enough to take a stab at this. But we need a pullback. We need a pullback. We need to get above the 87s. Technically, I'd prefer to get above the VWAP. Then I would feel a lot better about it. Hey, Jack Black, thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub. Also, Dominican Trader. Dominican Trader. Sorry, man. I hope you're still here. How did I miss? I remember seeing the $2 and I wanted to say something. I got distracted, but sorry about that, Dominican Trader. Thank you for the $2 and thanks for the kind words. I appreciate that. Trump is currently answering questions and speaking. Seems like things are going well. What is my final opinion on copier versus rotation of accounts? Tom Zust. Actually, that's actually a good question. And I've always said this. I've always felt this way. Like for me, in a perfect world, I would trade all 20 of my accounts at the same time. If I would feel a little bit, how would I say? If I eliminate some of my bigger red day blowups, which with QuantGuard, it actually has made me reconsider, and actually I have actually put in quite a bit of thought recently of copy trading all 20 accounts at the same time. Because I mean, I've always liked that idea, and I still do. There are obviously risks with it. I've tried it in the past, and then we failed, and then we have basically it's like a step tiered progress, right? I got to work my way to that level. I don't feel like I'm quite there yet, but we're getting close. And I do feel a lot more confident with my trading, and especially with QuantGuard, that I have that safe. I kind of have that safety net where I know I won't just. But my biggest struggle always has been when I trade copy, or when I copy trade 20 accounts, I just have a lot harder time accepting losses. So when you don't accept losses, it is only going to end one way. And like, that's kind of my red flag right now. And the reason that I don't do it is because I still have times when I have a difficult time accepting a loss. And until that kind of gets rectified, I don't feel like I'm ready to trade 20 accounts at a time. But ideally, that is what I want to do. Yeah, I thought about that too, Vector, and I might switch from doing 5 at a time to doing 10 at a time, and then we'll do that for a while, and then we'll switch to 20 at a time. So kind of a step tiered process. But in the end, like if someone was to ask me, where do you want to be at in your trading? Like what is your goal? My goal is to literally have, I mean, I guess we can, I don't know, have 2 live Tradeify accounts, 5 take profit accounts, 20 Apex accounts, copy trade them all at the same time, and take 2 $300 basically just look for base hits, small base hits at a time, and that would be my dream. I would never trade them all with a copy trader. Like I said, there is definitely a risk that comes with it. Apex blamed my copy trader for a blown account, and I wasn't even using one. That's weird. That's weird. Okay, we are about to test the VWAP here. Now this VWAP has been a very VWAP has been very important the last couple days. If we look here, yesterday was a crazy day if you traded VWAP. You could have traded VWAP yesterday, and I mean, right here was a short, here was a short, here was a short. I mean, there were some, and here was another short. Like, there were some crazy opportunities trading off the VWAP, but will it happen again today? Oh, wow. Never mind. We're just going to rip right through it. All right, folks. It's time to look for longs. It seems like this is Trump related. Trump must have said something. Now, if we spike through it, then that might be a problem. Let's see. I want to see us close above this. I assume there's something happening. Oh, Trump is talking. Bitcoin 100K again. Oh, wow. Hey, Camera Trades, good to see you. It was a glitch in Tradeovate or something. It executed a trade without me. Oh, yeah, piece cheese. I mean, yeah, that was through Tradeovate. I've seen that happen with Rhythmic. Have you ever traded with the VWAP deviation levels? Camera Trades, I've looked at it. I don't know. I just feel like this one is the most important, and then the other ones I just feel like are a little more, I don't know. I just don't trust them, I guess, as much. But I don't really take trades based off the VWAP as a whole, but I gotta say the last couple weeks, man, it's made me consider the option of taking trades off of VWAP. There's been some pretty strong moves. Hey, oh, hang on. We got Patrick calling me. Hang on. What's going on? Yes, sir. How is it going? Okay. Okay. I love to hear it. Oh, sorry. You were on my Bluetooth there for a second. Say again. Hey, how's it going? Are you serious? Wow. Let's go. What? Well, that's awesome. I'm glad to hear it. Oh, let's go. Nicely done. Not a bad idea. Take that payout and then build them up. I like it. I like it. Hey, that's awesome, man. Congratulations. I think there are some similarities, but I don't think they're the same. Yeah. Oh, nice. I actually had a really, really good overnight session. $1,000 on 5 of my accounts. Oh, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. Well, we're trying. I don't know. I always say I just do less dumb things. I just do less dumb things, and I keep doing what I've been doing, but less dumb things seem to work. But you would think so, right? Yeah. Oh, yes. Hey, it's so easy to do, though. It's so easy to do. Uh, yeah. Seems it starts out so innocently and with good intentions, and then all of a sudden you're $2,000 in the red and you don't know what happened. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. I always say that's right. Which one? You mean oh, oh yeah, you can play the racing simulator there. Oh, I'm jealous. Oh yeah, I did a couple times. I was flying an airplane. I had to show my chat that I know how to land. I had to show chat that I know how to land an airplane, and you know what? I did it. I did too. I landed the airplane. All passengers were safe. Now, let's not get into the details of it. We had nothing but 5-star reviews on every single passenger. They were all very happy. Nutty bars instead of peanuts. I like it. All right, take care, man. Thank you. Bye. Oh man. We did. Actually true. And we flew under the Golden Gate Bridge. Just that's why we got the 5-star reviews. It's true. It's true. Oh man. Too funny. That's not yeah, I mean, okay, I didn't see any reviews that were bad of my passengers. They were all great. They were all loved it. Okay, we're just gonna sit here now and go higher without any pullbacks. That's kind of rude. Please pull back, market, please. This is starting to get FOMO'd. We're starting to get some FOMO, folks. This looks like it's just going to keep going higher. Oh, man. I'm dead seriously thinking about getting in here. Look at it go. Man. This is wow. Annabelle, Alpine is fine. Alpine is fine. He is currently working on some home projects. He'll be back. Why is it I can catch an 80-point move when I'm down and out and recover, but I can't get an 80-point move to just start the day? That's actually very interesting, Matty Matt. I have had the same thing happen. I have had the same thing happen. Look at this thing go! Come on, market. Really? Oh, man, that hurts. This is crazy. I'm dead seriously thinking about jumping in here and regretting it later. Give me a little pullback here and I will jump in. Do it. Do it. Come on. Come on down. 180s. That's where I want to get in. Come on. Stop going higher without me. Oh. Hold up. Wait a minute. All right. Let's wait. This looks a little aggressive. This is starting to look weird. Uh-oh. Careful, careful, fellas. This looks crazy. I'm not chasing. I kind of got that scared me. That scared me. I think we will wait. Yeah, this almost looks like it could rip lower now, almost. I don't want to mess with this. If we get a good entry, I'll take it, but we're going to be careful. Man, this is volatile all of a sudden. Trump says 10% is a low number. Others will be higher. Ah, that's a good negotiating tactic, isn't it? I see what he's doing. Oh, dear. Oh, no. No, market, I wasn't ready. No. Why do you do this without me? Why? Why can't we just have a good time? I probably should not be trading this, to be honest. I just realized also something very disturbing. I can no longer, if I go to try to buy a drone, if I look to buy a drone, it says not available in your country. What? For real? Am I missing something here? Maybe it was just that one. Whatever. Let's pay attention here. Ah, I feel totally bamboozled. I feel bamboozled. Hmm. I mean, this is gonna go for the high a day, right? This is going for the high a day, and we're just gonna miss it. Yes. We're gonna. And this is. I should get. I mean, I guess I should have. I should have probably entered right there, but it was starting to get very volatile. I got scared. And this 78.6 fib level held up like a champ. Like a champ. Trying to wait for a pullback, but we haven't had one. We're going to get one, though. Let's have faith. For a $200 fee, I'll have my wife pick you up. Can you do that? Are you serious? Nah. Hmm. Wow. Wow. Uh, sorry. What happened, David? I'm not saying you don't have a point. I'm saying there should be some common sense and realize there are exceptions. I accidentally bought a trading account instead of Rhythmic. 2 minutes after that, I noticed I bought the wrong account. Emailed them and no refunds for me. David Gabriel. I'm sorry, bud. I mean, yeah, it is what it is, but they get so many. I mean, yeah, they could definitely make exceptions. I get why you're frustrated, but they get so many requests like that that their I mean, I think their support staff is, don't take this the wrong way, but looking for things that are more important. How am I so rich? I am not rich. I just, we're chilling. Come on, market. Give me a pullback. Please. This time I will take it. I won't be hesitant. Should have taken it right here. I should have done it, and I didn't. Surely we will get a pullback here, the 200s. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Hey, that's okay, David. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. We'll see you in the next 90% sale. I'm sorry. All right. I've seen that so many times before. People are like, I'm never trading Apex again. Something that frustrating happened. Next 90% sales. Yep, just grab 20 accounts. Oh, it's like a drug. It's like a drug. You just keep coming back. Got a Take Profit Pro account to pay out on one trade. Let's go, Alpine. Let's go. Oh. How do you bounce back from stupidity? I just blew my almost past. Oh. Ooh, I'm sorry, TCM trades. Those are some violent days. When you almost have your account passed and then you blow it. Usually I don't bounce back that same day. Usually it's the full-on tilt session until the next day. But honestly, the best way to bounce back is, just focus on your strategy, whatever your strategy is, and be very, don't take any discretionary trades. Just do only your setup and lock in those green trades. Lock it in. All right, market, you are seriously irritating me. I need to just, next time I see red, if I see the hint of a red candle, I'm going to buy. Okay? This is not even funny. This ain't funny, man. Oh my word. Are you kidding me? Seriously? Trump says you better go out and buy stocks now. Oh, I'm so shocked. Oh. Man. Seriously, market. Not sure if I'm not. We're getting very close to we're getting close to the moment where we need to test the strength of the market. Best way to test the strength of the market is to basically for Nutty Bar to enter long. That will really test the strength of the market. If we keep going higher, then it's actually a strong market. But if it's not a strong market as it is, I'm actually upset. This is not cool. This is just not, this is a troll. Market is trolling me right now. I literally said, I'm looking for longs above the VWAP on a pullback. We didn't get one single pullback, just straight higher. Got to be kidding me. What a joke. I don't know what to do. Wow. I mean, it just keeps going. Are you are we serious? Me and you both, DM. Me and you both. I'm trying not to FOMO, but my hands are starting to get real itchy. I'm starting to get restless arm syndrome. What it feels like. I'm not joking. If I see a red candle, we're going all in. We're going 120 contracts long. 120 micros long. What could go wrong? Yeah, I've thought about it, Mitch Marvin. Dude, this is actually insane. I hate my life. $300 straight move higher. Unreal. So frustrating. Dude. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. This is for scientific purposes only. Okay? This is for scientific reasons only. We're only doing this for research purposes, and this is going to be submitted as evidence in my case against the SEC. So don't worry, this is not an actual trade, just me going through the motions, collecting evidence. So don't worry. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Move it along. Yes, research and development. Yes, yes. Exactly. This is only for research purposes. Don't worry, it's not an actual trade. If I lose, I'll, well, I'm not sure what I'll do. We'll talk about that later. Yeah, Ben and Rose we're getting close to the Ben and Rose moments. We're getting close. NRD, Nutty Research and Development. There's zero chance that, because if you really think about it, like, let's look at it in a perspective of what are the chances that you can pick the top and bottom? I don't care what direction. It's not realistically, it's very difficult to do. So there's no shot that I'm so good of a trader that I pick the top and bottom. I mean, we're not talking about if I'm right or wrong, more about just if I'm able to actually do the top or bottom. So this is why it's called scientific research. Doesn't count. Doesn't count. This trade only counts if it's a win. If it's a win, then obviously this was a great trade and I knew what I was doing. If I lose, then it was obviously research and development. I should sell a course on this. I'll sell a course on this for $300. I'll make a Discord. And you guys can join. And then I'll do it for no delay at all. I'll show you guys the tops and bottoms for $300 a month. Also, you have to keep using my code or I'll stop doing it. Oh, man. I need to stop trolling. You can already tell the momentum is gone. Market all of a sudden is like, oh, wait. Yeah, Nutty went long. Okay, shut her down. Shut everything down. 3 big wicks now in a row. I already know what's coming. You already know it. Trump says we're going to be putting out statements saying we signed this country or that country. Ah. Hey, look at my great trade. Never mind. Wait, hang on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh. Hmm. In a very twisted, weird way. I kind of want this to go reverse now. Just, I don't know, it'd be kind of fun. Go ahead, market. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead. Fine. I know what I signed up for. What's the trade plan? This is research and development trade. Scientific reasons. What it is. You guys needed a pullback? Now we got your pullback. I don't want to hear anybody complaining. I don't want to hear any complaining. You guys wanted to pull back? I made it happen. You're welcome. Just be thankful and be grateful. Don't ask questions. And I do this for free. Can't believe I do this for free. Oh, man. You're welcome. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Any day, man. Just any day. Whenever you need it, just yell. I'll be here for you guys. All right, I think right now is a great time for this to stop being funny and let's go higher. It was fun while it lasted. I get it. It was a good joke. Now, please go higher. I think I might actually add to my position here. Maddie Mad. It's too funny. Don't add. That does sound like a bad idea, but we're in this together. I mean, what are the odds? What are the odds that you can pick the top like this? I mean, people pay all kinds of money for this kind of information. Are those 2 micros? Yes, they are 2 micros. You're correct. Does Ninja have a way you can lock your screen where you like without going through this search? I don't know. Not sure. Oh, Maddie. I see no issues here. I think we go higher, right? No shot this rolls over. 0 chance. I'm so confident this will go higher that I'm going to go grab me some chicken nuggets without a stop loss and no target. We're just going to go get it and we'll come back. We're going to be probably like $1,000 in profit or more. Oh, snap. I'm just kidding, by the way. He stopped talking. Oh, now it's going to dump, isn't it? It's going to dump, isn't it? Just tell me. Oh, my word. Are we seriously kidding right now? Starting to not be funny. I'm starting to not like this. Good old ICT showing us all how to paper trade. You gotta love it. All right, we are needing some rational thoughts here. Is this actually for real? Is actually for real? No shot. We don't. No shot. There's just no chance this V shape reverses lower. It's not possible. I refuse to believe it. Good grief, I just got hungry. I just watched an advertisement or something. What? Yeah, we're fine. I can go eat. I can go grab some lunch. We'll be fine. This actually is the high of day. I will delete my YouTube channel. I'll just delete everything. I'll delete it. I'll delete all of it. Everything. Don't make me a liar, market. Don't make me lie. Don't make me lie. I was crossing my legs when I said that, just to clarify. I don't know what that means, but I feel like I have an out if I need it. What a joke. What a joke. Mm. There is nothing I hate more in price action. Like, there's actually nothing I hate more. Nothing. Is when we just go straight up. Like, straight up. Not like, you mean straight up, and then all of a sudden, it's just like the market is like, oh yeah, I forgot. What was I doing? Like it has amnesia, and it's like, oh whoops, I forgot. What was I doing? I forgot. Oh yeah, we were going higher? Ah, never mind. I was just kidding. And then it just slowly bleeds lower. Like I can kind of understand if it goes higher and then it rips lower. Like, okay, that's annoying too. But to go higher and then just slowly bleed lower, that is so triggering. So the dumbest price action in the world. Makes no sense. I refuse to believe it. Uh, yesterday tilted bad, shorted at bottom, and then longed the top. Oh, that will get you going. Oh, I'm sorry, B33. I feel your pain. I know exactly what it feels like to long the top. Very funny. Actually, this market is gonna go higher. I know it will. Like, there is 0% chance that we've made the high of day. Like, actually 0% chance. It ain't happening. This is going to make new highs. I'm going to speak it into existence. Or I delete my channel. I'll delete everything. I'll just go live in the woods like a hermit. Stop jinxing it. Oh no, don't. How's it going? What's my plan with the take profit 50Ks? Ah, I wish I would have traded them last night, man. Would have been so perfect, and I didn't. Now I'm just not mentally ready yet. I'm not mentally ready yet. See, guys, there was no doubt. There was never a doubt. This is going higher. Don't get. Never mind. Yeah, investors. I'm just not like I don't know. I'm not mentally ready yet, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Oh, this is be serious right now. I actually am craving some chicken nuggets. I'm dead serious. I'm gonna go get chicken nuggets. I'm going to let's do I don't want to be irresponsible in a but we're going to have a worst case scenario stop. Okay? There's just no way that we're going to hit this. We're going to make new highs. We're going to go up through the 300s. It'll be fine. Don't worry. See, I told you guys we're going higher. Nothing to worry about here. Nothing to worry about. We're barely even, in drawdown. I'll be right back. Let's go. Never a doubt. Market. If it goes down now, as soon as I get back in my room, I will start to remotely trade somehow to an empty chair. Let's go. Woo! We don't have to delete our YouTube channel. Let's go. Starting to get worried there for a minute. Market, seriously, this is not funny. Why? Every time I come back and I sit down, you go lower. Like, what? It's not funny. What a joke. Ah. Market is so stupid sometimes. And my chicken nuggets are still not ready. Oh, by the way, poor Cody. Cody's got a bad earache. Guy is in pain and miserable. Poor guy. Feel terrible for him. Yeah, it's earaches are the worst. Very similar to how this market is going. Very ignorant. Come on, Mark. Really? Just keep going. Yeah, thank you. Friday can keep going higher. Yeah, I agree. I had such a good entry and closed it for it to go up another K. Oh, story of my life. Duck waste would fix his ears. But I agree, Mr. Knife Art. I agree that like, if you look at the daily chart, now that we break above this 260s, if we close above that, like, I mean, it sounds crazy, but a couple of weeks we could be at new all-time highs depending on how this goes. It could happen. All right, I'm gonna go grab my chicken nuggets because I just heard that they're ready. I'll be right back. This won't take long. Won't take long. Promise. I would really appreciate it if the market just went higher. That'd be cool. What are you guys talking about? I'm not muted. I'm starting to get seriously I'm out. You win, market. You win. Stupid market. We go higher. If we go higher now, we got problems. Can you guys hear me eating? Okay, good. You weren't supposed to hear me eating. Mad Cow, good morning. Good afternoon, Mad Cow. How's it going? How's the missus treating you? Got any brownie points left? Don't lie. By the way, guys, we need to do a special shout out here. Look at, I gotta show you guys this. I don't know what they are called, but my wife makes this, and there's this, which is Apple. And then there's this, which is raspberry. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Oh man. I mean, this is so delicious. It's a crime. Look at that. It's just, oh man, it looks, it's even better than in what it looks. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. I don't know why. I don't know how I'm not 300 pounds. Mm. It was the wifey's birthday. Took her parasailing. He got brownie points for sure. Let's go, mad cow. I assume you didn't call her a cow on her birthday. Mm. Man, these are so good. Oh, they're so good, man. You guys just have to trust me on this. Then we have the grape. There's a grape, a raspberry, and an apple. Oh, man. I can't even tell you how many of these I've had. Last night when I got up at 2 o'clock in the morning to check on my trade, I might have had like 4 of these. Oh, man. Mm-mm-mm. I'm not even sure what they're called, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I gotta ask her what they're called. Hmm. And there goes my diet. A tart. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Yes. Hmm. Oh boy. I'm taking this. I'm taking this. Don't fake me out here, Market. You piece of, you know what? And the apple one. Mm-mm-mm. Next thing we know, Nutty's selling a course, but it's a cooking course. I love it. Oh man, that was so good. I made a mess. Made a little mess here on my desk. We got to clean it. All right, Market. I'm ready. I'm ready for you to go higher now. Stop with the teasing and just go. Hey, Malel, thanks for the sub. JW Huff, thanks for the sub as well. Appreciate it. Oh no, go recaps. Oh man. I'm sorry, go recaps. That's not a good time. Come on, market. All of a sudden we just died. I mean, just absolutely died. No momentum, nothing. I wish, I'm not sure I want to be in this trade, but we're in it. Might as well stick it out. I gotta call someone. Give me a minute. Oh, we are back, baby. Come on, keep going. Oh, I'm tempted here to take my profit right here. I actually feel like I should. This is kind of where we've struggled to get through. I'm just gonna take it off right here if I can get filled. Please fill me. Thank you. All right, we'll take that. I don't know. This is probably gonna make new highs now, but this seems like it wants to trade in this range. But here's the thing. As long as we stay above the 260s. That's the key. If we come down, as long as we stay above the 260s, we are very much long biased. Honestly, if we come down and if we get a good entry signal off of the 260s, we're going to take it. Ooh. Hey, I'm glad I got out where I did. All right, market. I'm going to wait. I'm just going to wait. If we get a pullback, maybe even, 260, 270 area, we get a good entry signal long, we're going to take it. I could definitely see this kind of going sideways until, I don't know, maybe we go sideways until maybe 3 o'clock, and then we make another move higher. I could see that. There is also a chance that this could roll over. It could, but we had such a strong move higher, and with it, look at this. Like, this really puts this move in perspective. We really did just bounce right off the 20,000, and we went straight higher, 300 points. Man, that's crazy. Wow. And then we consolidated as soon as I went long. Go figure. All right, looks like we're about to make new highs. Womp womp. I was thinking the same thing. I might fire up some golf. Would you guys want golf? You want me to play golf, or you want me to play Flight Simulator? And you guys want me to show you how to land a plane again? This might get a little bit boring, and I got nothing to do this afternoon. I don't have a haircut appointment. I don't have a doctor appointment. I got no appointments. We chilling. Golf, flight. Oh man, it's kind of a duck race. I mean, we can just do duck races without giveaways. I haven't been in a duck race. Mad cow. Maybe if we would do a cow race, you would make it in. Flight sim if Ben and Rose are the passage. You know I would be extra careful then. There's no shot I would wreck. Gary Elliott. No, I don't know about that. But I'll take it. Poor Cody. Poor guy. All right, market. What's it gonna be? Oh, or I could play Fortnite with my 11-year-old son. He could show me how. He could show me. You know, I remember when I was really. I was teaching him how to play Fortnite. And now he accused me of being too old. I'm too old to know how to play Fortnite. The other day he said that. Then I'm like, okay, all right, son. We had to fire up old Fortnite. I had to show him a thing or two. Couldn't have him flexing on me like that. Gotta be careful with ear pain. My daughter has osteo. Oh dear, those are big words. 15 operations later. Oh man, that's crazy. Don't scare me like that. I look like Nick A30. There's other people that have said that. I mean, we have the wrong color hair. Just continue playing the ultimate game, trading. Feel like it's gonna get boring because I'm just gonna sit here. Market is moving very slowly. Very slowly. Actually, I need to check. I hope it didn't rain. I mowed the lawn last night. But there was like 2 areas in the lawn that was so wet that I couldn't mow it. So I might have to go mow that today. I kind of want to play golf. I haven't played golf in a long time. Like I'm talking about the video game golf because I get so frustrated with that game. It just annoys me. But kind of in the mood. I'm kind of in the mood to get punished. Zero turn or regular mower? Oh, come on, man. Here, I if you give me any opportunity to show off my mower, I will take it. I will take it. This would be Nutty Bar's mower. This is the one. This is it. That's right, boys. I don't flex a lot. I don't like flexing too much, but I'll flex my mower. That's one thing I have no shame. I'll flex my mower all day long. Do they have mower simulation? I think they do. I think they do. Is that a Lambo? I mean, it looks similar. Very similar. Ferrari red. That's right. This is actually tier 1 zero turn mower. Oh, you love to see it. I actually need to get it. I need to I have it scheduled for its spring maintenance next week. Gonna get a nice tune up, oil change, all the bearings greased, everything gonna get real nice. I always give it a nice power washing. Am I Ed Sheeran's long lost cousin? I don't know who that is. Is the mower named Rose? How many horses does it have? 29, I think. Oh, really, Willie C? You have a mowing business? Nice. Let's go. Love to see it. All right. All right. I'm going to wait. I'm going to play some golf. I'm going to play some golf. Why not? Do you guys want to watch? Do you guys want to watch on the small screen? That's not right. Why is that showing like that? There we go. You guys just want to watch like this, or do you want to watch on the big screen? I'm going to be watching the market, and if I see a pullback and a good entry, we will take the trade. And new highs. I knew it was going to keep going up. I knew it was going to do it. Oh, can I put the chart on a small screen? That's a good idea. Hang on. How do I do this? I don't know how much you guys are going to be able to see this, but I mean, at least it's a chart. I'll do it like this. But it is just going higher. It is actually just going higher. All right. Time to focus on golf. All right. We're going to actually play in a competed match. This is a competition, like a ranked. This is ranked. I'm going to do a ranked match here. I'm going to do... Let's hope we can not get embarrassed. I'm going to do the daily. I'm going to do the Pro-Am. I'm going to do Pro-Am difficulty. Hang on, guys. I got to take this call. Yes. Hello, it's Lester. All right, we're back. Okay, first tee. We have 200. Looks like we got a little bit of a dog leg to the right. Now, I just want to... that's a little bit left. We gonna... Just don't go in the water. Oh, yeah, we're fine. Sit. Good shot. That's a good start. A good start. Okay, we got 168 yards to the green. Wind. Stop disconnecting. Wind is coming a little bit 5 miles an hour. So we're going to aim for like right here. Like this. And I pulled it again. We're on the green though. So we're putting. Now we have a little bit of a cheat code. We can actually see a line. Did not mean to hit that right away. I think somewhere right here is going to be a good... Get in the hole. Oh, if I hit that a little harder, it's in. If a little bit harder, and that's in. All right, even par through one. Okay. All right, 138 yards. I'm gonna hit a draw into this. Let's just do that. Oh my word. What are you doing? Such a bad shot. Bad shot. Okay, can we do a flop shot here? Flop shot is our only chance to keep this close. Ooh, that was nice. That was nice. That was a nice flop shot. Okay. Hey, it's another par. Okay. Oh yeah, we're hitting driver here. We cannot miss right. So we are going to aim for this bunker. And we're going to hit it. Oh dear. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Get a little backspin going here. We're going to be aggressive on this approach. Oh, I like it. Be the right number. Sit. Ooh, that was nice. Okay. Okay, we got to make birdie here. Oh, yeah, this one's in the hole. Let's go. All right, we got driver out. I've been hitting a lot of... I'm hitting everything to the right, but I think... He said, yikes. Oh, shut up. All right. Now we have a downhill, right to left wind. 13 feet downhill. We're going to have to go for like right here. Man, it's going to be a difficult shot. Oh, that was too hard. Uh-oh. This is going to be a problem. This is going to have to sit. Actually, not bad. Not bad. Okay, we're starting to see a pullback. My red alert is on. Let's see. I'd have a trade here. Just got to wait. All right, let's make this putt. Ow. Don't understand that line. Get in the hole. Oh, I forgot. You guys can't hear.
It is a two-stroke lead at the moment for our leader.
Hey, we're right in this. We're tied for fourth. Come on.
And the fifth hole is a par 3. Let's go.
Okay, we're going to need an extra club here. Fade. Cut. Come on.
This one's heading a little bit to the left.
No! Oh.
No, it's unlucky. Missed the green on that one.
The bad shot. Man, I don't know what I do. Can I do a flop shot again? No. I don't know, man. This is going to be hard.
Oh, just missed that chip.
It's about as good as you can do, I think.
Save the hole.
We got to make this putt.
Right to left.
Oh, that was good. Too hard. It's good.
Right, there it is. That's your par.
Market's still pulling back.
And our leader currently is enjoying a 5-stroke lead on the rest of the pack. All right, let's see what we can do here on the 6th hole.
All right. Get a good... That's a good looking shot.
Oh my goodness, just
Sit! Don't go in the... Are you serious?
Careful of
Oh
this one
my...
fairway bunker. Not
How
sure
do you
what's
go in
gonna
the
happen
bunker
here.
there?
Well, I hope this one holds on to the fairway. And unfortunately...
Okay, now we got to put this one close.
No big deal. We're in the first cut.
Gonna put a little bit of spin on this. Gonna aim for like... Man, this is a...
Well, we missed the green, but that's all right. Life
Oh
goes
my
on.
word, that was such a bad break. If that just bounces a little bit to the right, it rolls right down to the hole.
And you're going to need to drop this if you want to save par.
Okay, we got to get some birdies. We got to get birdies.
And after that 7 strokes back from our leader. All right, par
Okay,
3, 7th
front
hole.
pin location. 2-mile-an-hour wind, 15 feet downhill. We're going to have to think right there's where we want to be. Oh, guys, this is right at it.
That's a good swing.
Oh,
Great work. Nice
let's
approach
go.
on that
Good
one.
shot.
And this putt's
Gotta
around
make this
7
putt.
feet. All right, you're sitting right at 2 under for the moment.
How is one guy already 14 under through 12? Guy's a cheater.
And the 8th hole is a par 4.
Well, I hope you can hold on to the fairway.
Shit. All right.
All right, coming out of the rough, you might not have enough on it.
Are you serious? How
Greenside bunker.
did that not get there?
And this one's your
Don't
fourth.
talk to me. Don't talk to me.
And about 5 feet to go. That'll bring your score up to 1 under par.
That was
Well,
pathetic.
Let's let this fly here on the 9th.
Okay, hang on. We got a trade possible.
Order submitted.
Stay informed if we get filled. And I cranked. Sit.
Good shot.
Okay, we're good. Might get filled here. That's got to be good. Oh, yes.
I'll tell you what, that was some great golf I just saw on this hole. Next putt for eagle.
We're putting for eagle, guys. If we can make this.
This one looks like it has a bit of a break to the right.
Order submitted.
Looking good so far.
Get in the hole.
Continuing.
Let's go.
Yes.
And we're in a trade, folks.
And after that one, you were just a couple strokes away from the leader. And as we begin the back 9, we have a par 3 to start out with.
Stay tuned.
Great swing on that one. And this putt is way out there. Best of luck.
Come on, market.
putt looks like
Don't
it's going
fake me
uphill to
out.
the right.
Just go higher. Oh, I can't believe I had that on the mark. Oh, and I missed it.
So far, so good. Oh, continuing to look good. Oh, and it doesn't go.
How did I miss that?
Here we go. Just a few more inches.
My stop loss is the 294s. My take profit is 335s.
Our leader is currently
But
ahead
looks
of the
like we're
pack
getting
by
we're getting
5
faked
strokes.
out here. You hate to see it. And we're in the bunker again.
Here's our
Oh.
second shot on hole number 11. Don't pat yourself on the back just yet. You got a lot of work to do with the putter here.
And if you can sink this, it's a birdie for you. Breaking pretty hard to the left.
Oh yeah, golf with friends on Steam. Yep. All right, this is gonna go right to left. Get in the hole.
Looking good so far.
Get in the hole. Nope.
Oh, it's going right there.
Yeah, we're gonna get stopped here the way it looks, man. I blame golf.
And as that one drops in the hole, let's take a look at
I'm
this.
fine. I mean, we had a good entry. I don't know. It is what it is, I guess.
Our leaders
We
currently
had a good
1
entry.
stroke above the rest.
And here we are, 12th hole, and we have a par 4.
I love the sand.
Okay.
My theory on that was if I aim at the sand, I probably won't hit it. It's a bad theory.
And looking short from the sand on this one. And from the green side bunker, looking for an up and down here. Well done out of that sand, just a medium putt here. About a dozen feet to the hole from here. Looks like this one's taking a break to the left. Well, the putt appears to be on line. And down it goes. Well done on the putt.
Hey, 3 under,
And
baby.
Now you are at 3 under par.
How are people 19 under through
This
16
one on the
holes?
13th hole.
Like, how is that possible?
Well done.
9 feet to the cup.
Yeah, I think this putt's going to break to the right. Ooh.
And
Yeah, it
this
is
par
rigged,
putt.
John. 100% rigged. Obviously cheating. I'm using a controller.
A 3-stroke lead at the moment.
And now the 14th.
And we got stopped.
Ahead.
Rip.
Oh, and a down slope out there in the landing area. This one.
Oh well. We're not taking another trade on this unless we see something change on this. Got to be going higher here.
Well, that's too bad. We just barely made our way into this second cut of rough. And as we set up here with the greens below us, might need a little less club.
Uh-oh.
And I don't think he caught enough of the ball here out of the rough.
Okay, setting up in the bunker here. Yep, that'll work from there. 14 feet to the cup.
Is
from
it
here.
going to go higher now?
This one's
Come
breaking left to
on.
right.
Looking pretty good.
Nicely done, dropping it in for birdie.
And after that hole, you're
Mikey.
4 under par.
Do I naturally draw or fade? I naturally
15th
fade.
hole.
I naturally fade.
I think we're going to be in the fairway with this one.
It.
I'll take that. And here we go, potential birdie.
I think this starts off straight enough, then it'll go right.
Are you?
Tie.
How did that
5
not go
feet
in?
left to go. All right, nice putt. We're heading down the final stretch of this one now at 4
Ow.
under par.
Okay, par 4, 16th hole is next. There we go. Good shot. We are about 140 yards out.
Oh, no.
Well, I hope you can hold on to the fairway on this one.
I don't know
This
what
one's
that
the
was,
third.
but it was bad.
Nice shot. Okay, save par right now with this putt. Let's go.
And I'm so tempted to... Hmm.
And your score this round is currently 4 under par. Okay, we're keeping it going.
What hole number do we got here?
This is 17 and a par 5.
That was straight as an arrow. Not in the sand again.
Well, that won't do, will it?
Ugh. Why are we not... Why are we laying up here? Come on. We don't lay up. We're going for it.
Way to go. Back in the fairway. You've done well.
It.
Good shot. And this one is for the bird. Nice stroke on that one. That's your 4th birdie of the day. And the current leader is ahead by 2 strokes at the moment. And let's bring this thing home now on the 18th tee.
Don't.
And setting up here in a...
And I've been in the bunker so many times today.
Yeah, that'll work. Nice approach. And for a final score of 65 here today.
Oh.
Okay, the par putt drops, and that's it for you. All right, at the end of the day, that's
All right.
5 under for you.
Whatever. I guess it's not
And
terrible.
with that, I will leave you to your own devices.
22 under through 18 holes. How? That guy's cheating. Oh. Yes, this is playing against real people. Man, what a some boring price action here. Does the Pope trade future? And we get some price action. Not happening, RH. Not happening. We're just chilling, man. This keeps up, though. I might actually call it. I could go finish mowing my lawn. Oh. I could also go take a nap. Man, this market is very stagnant. Does anyone know if you can trade news with Buellnock's master accounts? I'm not sure. Seems like I'm always mowing the lawn. Honestly, right now, you have to mow like every 3-4 days. Hang on. All right, we're back. And do I want to take this? Whew. We get filled, then I'm fine. If not, I guess we're just gonna lose out on this one. I mean, this really just gonna go straight up now. Orlando. It was never gonna happen. I'm gonna cancel it. I don't know, guys. I think I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. It's just, this is just not gonna I wouldn't be surprised if this just chops right back down. We're going sideways. Time to wrap it up. Overall, a good day. We will take it. Really, really happy about my 150K accounts. That we got those, basically the 3 red days that we had. We've basically back to even. So, pretty happy about that. But I'm going to call it there, folks. It is just not it. This ain't it. All right, everybody. I will catch you guys tomorrow. And thank you, Dad Nader. I appreciate it. Yeah, man. I hope he feels better too. He was in a lot of pain. Not fun. Not fun. All right, take care, everyone. Appreciate all the support. Thank you, everyone. And we will be back tomorrow, Friday. Take care and God bless.